Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about this Rivet tufted velvet sofa that we have here in the office. I really do like this sofa. This is in the hunter green. My favorite thing about this is that it has a very soft velvety feel. Tufted bench kind of cushion here. Looks really nice. You do have these removable cushions that you can take off the sides or the back if you want to give it a little more space. I think it's very comfortable to sit in and lounge in. If you can see here, it does have these tapered kind of wood legs here. It has like a wood grain on it. But a very good velvety feel, velvety looking sofa here. I show you some of the details so you can get a better look. It's hard to get a idea from just looking at pictures from the website. That's something we use here in the office to kind of lounge and take a break and read a book, catch up on some notes and stuff. So again, this is a Rivet tufted velvet sofa in hunter green. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.